How to install PIP for Python on Windows. Open the command prompt by pressing the Windows key, typing cmd, and selecting the command prompt application. Type the following command to check if Python is installed. If Python is installed, you'll see the version number. If it's not installed, you need to download and install Python before proceeding. To install PIP and ensure that a recent version of it is installed correctly, type the following command. You should see the version number of the PIP if the installation was successful. To check PIP version, use the following command. Use the following command to display the help documentation for the PIP command, which is a package management system for Python. That's it. PIP is now installed on your Windows system, and you can easily install Python packages and libraries.